I love advanced hearing and balance specialists. I love their staff. I love the doctors. They listened to me. They understood. For once, I had hope. And I left my first visit with an optimistic heart, with wanting to shout to the world that yes, there's an answer. You don't have to live like this the rest of your life, which I'd almost come to the terms with, this is how it's gonna be. And it isn't. It can change in a matter of a day. This office has changed my life, literally. I'm a better wife, I'm a better mom and grandmother and friend, and the person that I want to be without focusing on how do I feel, and I have a headache or a migraine, I feel miserable, so therefore I can't put forward my best foot and be my best self. And I feel like now I can. Now that's just a thing of the past. I don't even think about it much anymore.